Hi, Amruta groundwater discovery again. Here we have implemented ENV Kart systems, filters, wall-mounted rainwater harvesting filter system, and here in Nigidi, Pradhikaran, Sector 26, Anil Mitchell's house. I'll walk you through the rainwater harvesting filter implementation here in Pradhikaran. You can see here. Anil Mitchell's, and this is the address basically. I'll show you out here how the rainwater harvesting filters are basically now installed out here. And currently customer has 3,500 square foot of a rooftop area, and you can see here, here it is. It's a wall-mounted filter, ENV Kart systems rainwater harvesting wall-mounted filter, and WF-1500 is installed out here. And I'll explain you out here. So this is the rooftop, that is coming down. You can see here. That is where the rainwater harvesting. This is where the rooftop downtake pipe is coming. That pipe is basically coming down. Earlier, this pipe was basically directly going to the drain. Now, what we have done is from the ground surface above 5 foot, we have cut the pipe and we have installed the rainwater harvesting filter out here. This is a wall-mounted filter, and you can see here this is a rooftop downtake pipe, and this is getting joined here in as an inlet to the ENV Kart's WF-1500. You can see here, this is the first flush pipe. You can see here, this is the first flush valve, and once the initial rainfall has come and the rainwater impurities, basically the dust particles and then the debris will get trapped out here. Once the valve is opened, and basically the dirt of the water will come down here. Basically the impurities gets trapped out here in this first flush system, and the water basically the rainwater basically travels upwards from this and into the rainwater harvesting filter, ENV Kart systems WF-1500. The hard particles will not travel upward direction, and hence the filtration of this WF-1500 will be more, and 80% of the water gets filtered out here with this ENV Kart systems wall-mounted filter, which is highly filtered water of the rainwater. Almost it's a distilled water. You can see here the output of the water basically is upwards, and that water is basically taken into the outpipe of the wall-mounted filter. You can see here, this is the filtered water output, and this water is basically going into the rainwater harvesting filter. I'll walk you through the second rainwater harvesting filter implementation, and this pipe is the backside of the building. You can see here the ENV Kart systems wall-mounted series WF-1500 has been installed out here, and this downtake pipe is coming from here, and we have redirected it to the first flush beneath the filter, and that's where the first flush pipe is at. The pipeline is getting joined to the third rainwater harvesting filter, wall-mounted filter WF-1500. Here it is, the third rainwater harvesting filter installation to the third downtake pipe. It's coming from the rooftop, and it's getting rainwater harvesting filter WF-1500. So the output from this third filter got joined here You can see here basically the second rainwater harvesting filter output, the filtered output, and third rainwater harvesting filter output got joined here. The accumulated water will go to the rainwater harvesting. We request all the customer to do the survey and take the borewell for the rainwater harvesting. Without the survey, if we blindly follow, if the groundwater channel is not cut down during the drilling, it's a kind of a bottle without any groundwater channel. If there is a groundwater channel in the borewell, then only the water basically takes inside by the borewell. So the intake capacity of each borewell is utmost important than implementing the rainwater harvesting in the failed borewell. So I'll walk you through. Okay, this is the basically the borewell, and pit is under. This pipe is the second and third rainwater harvesting filter output, and this is the post rainwater harvesting filter output. And these two pipes output is coming down here. This is the borewell customer has taken, and you can see the water is utmost 2 to 3 feet depth from the ground surface. And this is basically the rainwater harvesting pit. And thank you ENV Kart Systems and Amruta Groundwater Discovery.